Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal, English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 student. Dear student, our today's topic is fill in the blanks. Let's see today's topic. Our today's topic is all fill in the blanks, and this is lecture number 9, and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 9 number SW, and here is 10 fill in the blanks. We have already done this fill in the blanks with our chapters. Today we will do all fill in the blanks of our annual term all together. Let's start today's class. Our 1 number filling the blank is for happy and healthy life we have to eat dash. For happy and healthy life we have to eat good food. So we will write here good food. And 2 number is, here is the blanks, your teeth every day dash. Your teeth every day, what will be the answer? Brush. Brush your teeth every day. So we will write here brush. Three number is always wash your hands dash eating. Always wash your hands before eating. So we will write here before. Four number is have a bath dash. Have a bath every day. So we will write here every day. Five number is wear dash clothes every day. Wear clean clothes every day. Answer is clean. Wear clean clothes every day. Our 6 number fill in the blanks is table is made by dash. Table is made by wood. So we will write here wood. Wood spelling is W-O-O-D, wood. 7 number is a dash cuts and stitches clothes. A dash, a tailor cuts and stitches clothes. So we will write here tailors. A tailor cuts and stitches clothes. 8 number is we need dash to drink. We need water to drink. So we will write here water. 9 number is there are dash seasons in Bangladesh. There are, answer is 6 seasons. So we will write here 6. There are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. 10 number is book is made by dash. Book is made by paper. So we will write here paper. So dear student, I have finished my today's topic. So now I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 9 number SW, and when you will do your SW, please write down the SW number. Our today's SW will be this fill in the blanks. Here is 10 fill in the blanks, and your SW will be from 5 to 10. That means 5 fill in the blanks. I am repeating your SW. Your SW will be 9 number SW, and your SW is fill in the blanks from number 5 to 10. Here is a 10 SW, 10 fill in the blanks, and your SW will be from 5 to 10. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and you will get 2 marks for each SW. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.